Oh yes. So I'll just give a small recap of yesterday's session, what we have covered, and then we'll just jump on to the today's session. Okay. So yesterday, what are the things we covered? Miss? Yesterday we covered how normally a program will be executed, and then how a Java program will be executed. What is the difference between a compiler and interpreter we saw? Okay. Then what is JVM? What is JRE? And then what is JDK we saw? Then also we saw how to install actually what Java, or where to download and then install Java and then JDK. Okay, this is what yesterday we covered. So in case if someone has missed the session for yesterday, today if you guys have come, so I'll be forwarding actually what the yesterday's meeting information, and then again actually what if you have issues, let me know. I will forward this document also where you will have screenshots from 1 to 10. Okay, everything will be there step by step. You can go through, but still if you have issues anytime, please ping me in a mail ID or something so that I can just get back to you. Okay, thank you. So we have seen how to download and install Java. So now we are going to download and install Eclipse. So what is this Eclipse here means? So we are going to see Java and then Selenium. Okay, every language has its own tool to write the code. Before we used to actually what write the code in a notepad, save it, and then execute through help of a command prompt. But nowadays actually what we execute with help of actually what some tools only. No one uses actually what command prompt for execution. Why? Because the tools will give you more advantage for you as a user friendly manner, so you can do all your actions over there. That's why we go with help of actually this tools. So now I'll go here. So Eclipse. So first we need to download Eclipse here. Okay. So I'll just take a one version name which is Kepler. So I will try to download that. So I'll just go here. I'll just give Eclipse Kepler download. Google it. So once you Google, take the first link. Here you can see all the different packages that are available here. Okay, all the different packages that are available we can see over here. So right now Photon was the latest package. Okay, so I will go with Kepler because I like that UI over there. So nothing is going to be different for Selenium compared to the other things. Okay, that's why I'm gonna go with Kepler over there. So other things actually what packages over there, the UI is different, and then there are some extra advantages that which will be useful for the development. Okay, Selenium level we are going to use only with core Java, so it's not going to be a big deal, big change over there when you go to different releases over there. Okay, so I'm trying to go with Kepler. So just click on the Kepler. Once you click on it, you will come to the same page. Here you have to download Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers. Sorry, whichever package you go, you have to download this Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers. Okay, don't go for the very latest. Try to go till max oxygen. So it's a latest newly it came. So it's actually what it's better to use it as after a little bit time. That's the one thing. Okay, so go for minus Windows. Go for 32-bit or 64-bit. Use a Ubuntu or a Mac. You can go for that specific version here. Minus 64-bit. So once I click on it, it will go to me a new page. Then after that, here when I click on it, the download will start. Once it's been downloaded, you can see here. Okay, you will get a zip file like this. Okay, you have to right click, extract here. You will get a folder like this. That's it. So no installation process for Eclipse, just download and then extract it and then directly use it. So open this. Okay, this is the Eclipse application. Open this. So here it will ask you for the workspace to select. What is this workspace over here? So it is where is the place actually you have to save your project and then the code details. That's what it says. So now usually it will be there under the C drive. You browse and change it. Don't keep your code in the C drive because it's a problem for you when you keep it under the C drive. Why means actually what? When you have it under the C drive, there is a chance actually what if any problem comes and then if you're going to totally format your system, they delete all the C drive files. So that's why it's not safer to keep under the C drive. So save it under a different drive. Otherwise, create a folder in a C drive and then have it for your personal use. Whenever you're going to format the system, take that folder alone. Okay, that's the thing. So I'm going to choose D drive. Here I'm going to choose Murli laptop. Now I will create one folder called Java Selenium 12 Fib batch. Okay, I'm just going to create a workspace like this. So enter. So now if I go to the same place, Murli laptop, you can see Java Selenium 12 Fib batch. So this is my workspace. Now I went inside, it's empty. Now I'm gonna click on OK. Now I'll click on OK here. Okay, so what I did means I just opened the Eclipse application and then just created a folder Java Selenium 12 batch. That's my workspace. All my projects and then after that my code will be executed under this place. That's what here. Okay, good. So now we will get this window. Okay, so it's a welcome screen where you can see tutorials and then some samples information. So as of now, I don't need for me. I'm gonna close it. Okay, once you close it, now first actually what here in Eclipse, how it works means it works in a way. First, we have to create a workspace. Then we have to create a project. Then we have to create a okay. After the project has been created, so you have to create a Java or class files. Okay, so Java or class files we already saw. So what is this? That file which is created by us is a Java file, and then when we compile it, actually what a class file will be created by default. Then that class file is what given to the JVM for execution. Okay, as what we saw yesterday. Okay, so go to File, New. Here you have to select Project. Okay, go and select Project. So right now it will be under actually what Java EE. Okay, I'm going to change it to work on with core Java. I'll just maximize it so that we'll see only that screen. Go to File, New, Project. Here you select Java project. Otherwise you can see Java folder. Under the select Java. Now click on Next. So Java EE is what means for developers actually what they used to do a lot of actions, right? So that's why actually the environment is Java EE. So now I want to work on core Java. So that's why I selected Java project. Then I'm going to change the environment here. So to Java SC 1.7 or 1.8. So right now I have 1.7. Okay, otherwise I can also go for this 1.8, whichever I want to use. As of now, I'll go with this 1.7. Then I'm going to give a project name. So learning Java. That's my project name. So gave the project name, selected the environment. Then after I'm going to click on finish. Then it will be giving you information. I'm going to change the view. Is it okay for you? Yes. So once you change it, you can see a new section Java will come and appear. See, we got it. And then a small change in the UI also will come. So these all informations I don't need. So I'm going to close all these things which I don't use. Okay, we created. So we have created the workspace, then we have created the project. Now we are going to create the Java or the class files. Okay, so I'll go here. So when I create a project, for me, what are the things that have been given? So by default, I'll be getting a source folder and then a JS system library in the Eclipse view. If I go to the original section, okay, if I go to the original folder view, under the learning Java is my project name. Okay, under that you can see a source folder and then a bin folder, then also along with the dot setting, class path, and then project file, which are all used for my execution. For us, the needed information is the source folder and then the bin folder, these two. Okay, so the source folder will consist of all my Java files. The bin folder will consist of all my class files here. That's it. Clear? So let me tell you again. So before that, I just wanna give a recap. So what we did means we downloaded Eclipse, then we extracted the zip file, then we opened the Eclipse application, then after that we created the, okay, we gave the workspace location, created the project, created the Java project input. Okay, create the Java project with Java, yes, E 1.7 or 1.8 environment. Okay, this is what we have done till now. Okay, anyone has any questions so far, guys? Please ping me in the chat window is yes if you have understood. Okay, anyone has any questions so far? Please ping me in the chat window is yes if you have. Tell me. Yes, Ram. Yes, Gokul.
Normally, we are using Eclipse. So,
sorry, Gokul, you're asking actually what? Is there any other tool apart from Eclipse for writing the Java code? Is that your question?
Yes, this is my question.
Yes. We have different kind of tools that are available. So right now the famous tools are NetBeans and then Eclipse for Java. Apart from that, we have a lot of tools over there. Okay, lot of tools that are available. So now the famous. Tell me, sorry.
No, all the people are using Eclipse only.
It's actually what I will say. Out of 100 percentage, okay, so 40 percentage, sorry, 50 percentage of them uses actually what Eclipse. Then after that, actually what 30 percentage of them use NetBeans. Then 20 percentage they use different tools. Okay. Eclipse has been widely used, and the NetBeans has been next widely used. Okay, right? Good.
Okay.
Cool, guys. Guys, everyone ping me in the chat windows yes if you have understood it. Divya, Monica, Rohit, Soumya, Srinidhi, Usha, everyone, have you guys understood? Please ping me in the chat windows yes so that it'll be easy for me to continue. Cool, awesome, guys. Okay, so next I'll go. So next, here we have created actually what? The Eclipse and then the project. Okay, now what we have under the source folder and then what we will have under the bin folder we're going to see. So before that, so I will right click on the source folder, then I'm going to go to new, and then here first I will be creating the package. So the package name, first pack, I will just give. Okay, I can give any name, I'm just giving. So when I give first pack, it's giving me a discouraged package name. By convention, package name usually starts with the lowercase letter. Okay, always package name should be start with the lowercase letter. That's why it's throwing me an error. Okay, so I'll click on finish. So after the package, again right click on the package. Okay, I can create multiple packages. See, right click, new package, then I'll create second pack, then I'll click on finish. Now it's not throwing me any error because I started with the lowercase letter. If I start with the capital letter, it will throw me an error. Finish. Okay, now in that one package I'm going to right click, new class. So source folder is learning Java is the project name, and then under that source folder, okay, and then there is a package called first pack. Okay, that's what we have. Then after that, here right now actually what select it as actually what default as of now. I will tell you actually what are the things is public, default, private, and protected later sessions. As of now, click on default. Then I'm going to click on name. Okay, so here I will just give as, okay, I'll just give it as Java learning. Okay, so here if I start with a small letter, the class name, if I start with a small letter, you can say it gives me a discouraged name, start with an uppercase letter, it will say. So package name should start with actually what? A capital, sorry, small letter. Class name should start with a capital letter. Okay, it is not mandatory, it is just a standard usage. That's it. It's just a warning for you to use this, follow the standard protocols. That's the only thing they're saying. Okay, guys. Okay, Java learning default. Then after that, here you can see public static void main checkbox. Click on that. So I gave the name for the class, then I selected default, then I clicked on public static void main checkbox. Click on finish. You can see Java learning dot Java. Okay, my class name is Java learning, and then the extension is dot Java. Okay, that means under the source folder it has created the Java folder. So now I'll increase the font size. So go to window, preferences, type font here, colors and fonts. Under the basic folder, text font, edit. I will just increase my font size. Let me know if you want me to increase more. Okay, so I'll delete this line which is not needed for me. Okay, so the class name what we give, okay, this is the syntax for the right to write a class in Java. So package first pack, so that's my package name, class Java learning. So Java learning is my class name. We clicked on a checkbox, right? So that is what public static void main. So we selected default there. So that's why actually what we got directly class Java learning. So in case I will create another class, session clarity, I will just give. Then now I'll select public. Now I'm going not to select actually what public static void main. Okay, source folder is learning Java slash source. First pack is the package name. Public class name is session clarity. I'm not going to click on the public static void main. Click on finish. Now if you see the packages first pack, here we got an extra keyword called public here. When we select that actually what the radio button public, we will get actually what the public keyword here. Here we see no, but here we got it. That's the thing. Okay, so if you want you can have it, otherwise no. So now I have not clicked on the checkbox public static void main, so that's why I did not get this main function here. Okay, so in case if I want to have that main function, I can just, there is a shortcut main control space enter. Okay, so what is the shortcut means? So if I don't want to execute some lines of code in the Java, double forward slash. Okay, so I need to type main, then plus, sorry, okay, main, then after that I need to press control plus space plus enter button. Okay, that's it. See, again I'll do MAIN control space plus enter. That will get me my main function. So what is this main function? All those things we'll see later. Okay, guys? It's all simple concepts only, which we will see soon. I'll just increase still more. Okay, so we have created two Java files here. So now I'll go to the original folder location. You can see. So there is a source, there is a bin folder, right? So source folder, if I go inside, you can see first pack and then second pack, the two packages. Then inside the first pack, if I go, the two Java files. See, Java. Right click, properties. See, .java. Java learning is the name of the file, and then .java. Session clarity, this is a Java file. So when you right click and then edit it, can you see the same information what we have there? Okay, the same thing we will get here also. See, same thing. Okay, so every information has been written in the original folder location only. Okay, so this Eclipse is just a UI for me to do actions in a user-friendly manner. That's it. Every information that you're going to change, that will be reflected in the original file only. Those files, we are taking it here and then we are going to do the actions. That's it. Apart from that, nothing is there. Okay, guys?
Okay.
So now, any questions so far for anyone?
No.
Good. Okay, yes. So now, so here we'll go to the bin folder. So I have gone to the learning Java. Okay, the learning Java, that project. Here we have another one bin. So we saw the source folder. Source folder has the Java files. What the bin folder will have is, okay, bin folder again it will have the first pack and second pack. Okay, then inside that one you can see class file. Okay, when I try to open, can you see? We are unable to understand. Sorry. Sorry. We are unable to understand anything. So this is what I told you yesterday, right? So Java files, you can understand the informations. This is the place where we write the code. Okay, so class files, if you see, it is used for execution okay, where only actually what your JVM can understand this file information. Apart from that, no one can understand it. So that's why I told you, that is when the client asks for actually what the application, if you want to see, we will send the class files to him. Okay, we don't send him the Java files for our safety purpose. So client needs to execute. So we need actually what the code to be safe. So that's why we keep the code safely, all the Java files, and then we will send him actually what all the class files. So that we will be sure actually what the client sees the application, and then we also will be safer over there. That's why. Okay. So now,
Murali, I have one doubt.
yeah, please
Hello.
tell me. Please tell me.
I have one doubt.
Yes.
First, I write one Java code. Okay.
Okay.
So I converted the .java into Java class file.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Then I lost my source code. Original code I lost somewhere, corrupted or whatever.
Okay. Okay.
Again, I want to the code again to Java code from the class file. Possible?
So information is actually what, if you see here, I'll take Eclipse. So right now I will delete this actually what session clarity this file. Okay, right now you're saying actually what you have lost the actually what the Java file, correct? So I'll do the same thing. Right click, delete. Now can you see the Java file actually was it's gone, correct? Now if I come over here, can you see under the bin folder the class file is gone. Same thing under the source folder also my file is gone. So what does that here means? Okay, see right now bin folder is there, right? So I will delete the class file. Before we deleted the Java file. So when we delete the Java file, the Java file plus the class file both are being deleted. Now I'm going to delete the class file alone. Okay, now if I go to the source folder, still the Java file is present. So now what I will do, I'll come here, first back, right click, refresh. Okay, so I'll save the file. Now if I go to the bin folder, first back, okay, still the file is not there. So what I will do now, I will go here, write some information, sizzle, hello. Okay, then I'm going to save the file. So right now it's not been saved. The star mark is there, right? I'm going to save it. Now if you do, if I come to the bin folder, can you see now Java learning, the class file has been created. Whenever you have a Java file, then only a class file can be compiled, and then that is actually when you do a compile, class file will be created. But the same thing, you have deleted the Java file, and then from the class file, if you want to get it, means that is not possible, because the class file itself actually what will not be present whenever actually what you don't have the Java file. Okay, so there is no possibility from a class file to get the Java file, the code, because then there is no safer security for you from a class file. If you want to able to create a Java file, then there is no security here. It's as long as the same previous one only. Clear, right? So how this class file is created means, so you can see, so here project is there, right? Under this you can see build automatically will be there. Okay, so it is checked right now. So what this will do means, okay, so this is the one will do compilation actually what every time whenever you write a code information. Okay, so whenever you write and then whenever you save it over there, actually see I'm gonna write a wrong syntax. See, so this is going to give me an error, all those things. So how this all been done means, that is this build automatically is there, right? So this option will compile the code for every few seconds over there, and then if there is any syntax errors, it throws me there. Okay, it throws me an error over there. That's why we get the information. So I already told you, right? So during compilation we will get all the error information. So this Eclipse, with help of actually what this build automatically, every time it compiles by itself. Okay, if you don't have this one, what will happen means whenever we save it actually what that time the compilation will be done. That's the one thing. Okay, so what we saw still now I'll tell you. So right now we created the Java project, right? So after that actually what we created a class. Okay, when we created a class, Java file will be created under the package, sorry, under the source folder. Also, it creates a class file under bin folder. Okay, that's what it will do. Okay, so then after that, the shortcut actually what if I want to get the main function. So in case if I don't have a main function, if I want to get the main function, main control space enter. Okay, that gets me my main function here. Okay, So now I want to actually print some information. So if I want to print some information, so I need to type SYSO control space. Clear? SYSO control space. The shortcut is, so for this, MAIN control plus space button plus enter button. So here SYSO, then control plus space button. This is a shortcut to it. Okay, guys. So if I want to print some information inside the double quotes, okay, we have to give it in inside this parenthesis in double quotes. We have to give hello world. That's it. Okay. Now right click, run as Java application. So now that will get me hello world here. So this is one way. Another thing actually, what you can go here, run, and then you can run from here also. Okay. Then there is a shortcut is, sorry, control plus F11. So control plus F11 also will get you actually what, your hello world. Okay, I'll close it. Control plus F11. Same thing here also, you can go run. Okay, these are the different ways. One, right click on the file, run as Java application. Okay, otherwise here you can run, otherwise go to run and then you can do it, otherwise use the shortcut, otherwise run as Java application. These are the different ways we can run it. So now I will delete this main function. Okay, now when I right click, you can see run as Java application, correct? So now I'll delete this main function. When I delete it, now when I right click, run as, can you see the Java application is not there? So what is the use of this main function? Means if you don't have a main function, you cannot execute a Java program. Okay, always we need a main function if you want to execute the program. Clear? So I need to have a main function if I want to execute a Java program. Then only we will get the Java application. Otherwise, we will not be able to execute the Java program. Clear, guys? Any questions so far for anyone? Please ping me in the chat windows yes, if everyone has understood. Please ping me in the chat window as yes. I want from everyone. Cool. Satish and everyone, guys. Cool. Awesome. Super. Okay. So now we'll see the same thing. Actually, what yesterday, what are the things we have seen, and then today, what are the things we have done. Okay. So I'm going to just give a recap. Guys, I'll tell you one more thing. So my sessions are a little bit slower compared to the other trainers. Okay. So why I'll tell you, because other sessions, wherever you go, the trainer used to execute the program and then the trainer used to explain everything. But my sessions are different. So sessions actually what, there will be every topic, there will be 3 programs. One program I will execute, the rest 2 programs I will make you guys to execute in the session itself. Okay, how that will be helpful for you is because I will be giving you assignments, right? So here itself you will be giving a try, so I'll be helping you the most. So whenever you're able to, it's like actually nothing that you have to answer it for sure. The only thing is when we both are interactive, so session will be good, so that you will not feel that actually what only I am talking. Okay, still now I am the only person talking. So here onwards, session will be like more interactive. That's the one thing. Okay. So now we'll see. So first we will see yesterday's session information, where to download Java and then how to install. Okay, that's the one thing. So I just ask, try for it. In case if you're not able to do, no worries, we can just get it, guys. Hey, hi Divya. Hello. Hey, hi Divya, you're there?
Yeah.
Hey, hi Divya. Divya, can you help me? I just want to download and install Java. So what I need to do, what I need to browse,
A free Java download.
super,
Easy
Java
down.
download,
Mhm.
go for it. Yes, go to the
Yeah.
first URL,
Yeah, yes, first URL.
click on this free Java download, then,
I have downloaded version 9.
cool, that's okay. So now, then you will get a exe file downloaded, double click on it, next, Java will be downloaded, correct?
We
So,
have to set the path to.
that is for JDK.
Yes, JDK.
So now I have downloaded this Java, right? How can I confirm that actually what the Java has been installed successfully after the download install?
We have to go to command prompt.
Awesome.
CMD.
CMD
Java slash
Java space hyphen version. That gives me my version. Awesome. Super. Hey, good. Thanks, Divya. Now next, hey, hi Google. Google, you're there? Hey, hi Google. Now we have downloaded Java. So if I want to get my JDK, what I need to do?
Okay.
What I need to browse? JDK. Awesome. Yes. Then go to the first URL. Here, go for this JDK. Okay. I can go here. Then you can download this. Accept. Then select my which one. So Windows or Mac or Ubuntu. Okay. So here also once we download, click on next, and then the installation will be done. Clear? So once we download and install JDK and then Java, so where can I see the folders created? Under the C drive, program files. Awesome.
And that Java bin.
Correct. Java. Here, once I download and install Java, we will get JRE. Once we download and install JDK, we get both the folders. So now, after the installation of JDK, what we need to do?
We have to set the class variable.
Correct. We have to set the path. Yes, correct. Under the environment variables. So what I need to, where I need to go? I need to go to the JDK folder, bin. Okay. Then copy this.
Copy the path.
Yes.
And go to my computer, right click, properties.
Super. Hey, good. Thanks, Google. Awesome. Thanks, man.
And only I have.
Sorry. Yes, Ramakrishna. Yes, Google. Tell me.
If I download JDK is enough, right?
JDK is enough.
JDK itself, Java, JRE, all the things, all the softwares available, or we have to download separately, Java separately and JDK.
Only JDK is enough.
In JDK means Java development kit. In JDK itself, Java compiler, all the things available, right?
Correct. So once you download and install JDK, you will get the JRE folder and then the JDK folder. Okay, so everything, the complete set of Java, we will get under the JDK.
But why we are downloading Java is?
No. It's actually we are learning, right? So that's why actually you have to know the difference of Java and JDK. Right? That's why I downloaded and installed both the things separately.
But normally, download JDK only enough.
Enough.
For installation of.
Correct. Okay. Good. Hey, thank you. Hey, hi, Sadish. Sadish, now we have got the bin path of the JDK. Where I need to set the bin path?
Go to the properties of my computer.
My computer, right click, properties.
Yeah, there is advanced. Go to the properties.
Advanced system settings. Under the advanced tab.
Yeah, environment variable.
Yes, environment variables.
I have to add if it is not there.
Correct. Here we have to search for the path. Edit. Then.
No, semicolon.
Semicolon. Then
add.
Paste the path. That's it. Then you have to click on OK and OK and OK. I already have done, so that's why I'm clicking on cancel. Good, super. Then another one more thing. So the top level, you can create a new one more variable called Java underscore home. Click on new. Okay, Java underscore home. You give. Then after that, give the JDK folder. Remove the bin. Okay, give the JDK folder and click on OK. Okay, that's the thing. So in case if you don't have, create this alone, the Java underscore home. Clear? A good
Yeah, what is the
solution.
use of this Java underscore home?
We are giving an information. We are giving an information actually where the JDK information is present. So this is for the bin folder location. Okay, so this is where the JDK is present over there, which is needed for execution purpose. Okay, good. Hey, thanks, Avish. So now this is how we have downloaded and installed the Java and JDK yesterday. Then now today Eclipse. So hey, hi Usha. Hello. Hey, hi Usha, you there?
Yeah, I am here.
Hey, thank you. Usha, can you just tell me how to get the Eclipse? So I need to.
In the Google, we have to type the Eclipse.
Correct. So I can just give Eclipse Kepler, a version name, Kepler download. So go to the first URL.
First URL, then
which package you need, select that.
the Kepler.
Yeah. So here, which one I need to download?
The second one, the Eclipse IDE.
For Jubilee developers. Then here select which is the specific Windows or Mac and 32-bit or 64-bit. So how you confirm whether actually what 32-bit or 64-bit? Go to your My
Computers and properties.
Yes. Here you can see the version. Awesome. So here just click on this. Once you click on it, the download will come. So here you can see a zip file called Eclipse. Then what we need to do?
Then we have to press the Eclipse.
Right click on the Eclipse zip file.
Yeah. Then we have to go extract here. Extract here. Yeah.
Yes. So once you do, sorry. So as of now I already have. I'll just cancel it. I will get this folder. So here you'll have this Eclipse application. Correct? Yeah. Now when I double click on it, it will open me the
Eclipse.
Yes. So here what I need to do?
We have to give the name for the workspace.
Correct. So what does this mean? It's a workspace. That is where my project and code files need to be saved. That's what. Okay. Yeah. So I need to browse and give a name. So I'll go to the mobile laptop or any location where I want. Then learning, I will create a folder. Then click on OK. So if we go to the learning. So when I click on OK, what will happen now for me? It creates some settings files here. Then my Eclipse will be created. Hey, good. Hey, thanks, Usha. Thank you so much.
Yeah, sure.
Hey, hi, Rohit. Rohit, you're there? Hi, Rohit. Yeah. Now, can you tell me? So now we have got a welcome screen, which is not needed. I'll close it. Now, what I need to do?
We have to create a Java project.
Correct. Super. So what are the things actually what we will have? First, we create the workspace. Then we have to create the project. So for that, file,
new,
yes.
Java project.
Here, if you don't have Java project, project, yes. Then here select Java project here under the Java folder, yes. Then now
project name,
yes. So I'll just give project A. Okay. Then after that,
finish.
Environment is there, right? That one. So right now it's Java EE. I need to change the environment to core Java. So that is Java SE 1.7 I can give. Otherwise, I can go for the 1.8, whichever I want. GRE 8 is 1.8 version. So now Click on finish. So once we create the Java project, let's say that actually what I'm going to change the view. Yes, change it. Then here a new section called Java will appear. Okay, good. So then the unwanted windows, I'll close it, which is not needed for me right now. Okay, cool. Then next, what are the informations we will have under the project?
Source and JRE file.
Source and JR system library. So JR system library till now we have not seen. So what does that mean? It will consist of actually what? jar files. So that is actually what we have to do the Java program execution, right? So for that execution, we already have some internal code written for the execution. So those all information we can get it from these places. Okay. So if I go to the original folder location, project A, we will have a source and bin folder. So what is the difference between source and bin folder? Okay?
Source file where we class created will be generated.
Correct. The source folder will consist of the Java files. Bin folder will consist of the class files. Okay. What's the difference between the Java files and then the class files? Any idea? Anyone can give. Tell me. Yes.
JVM file will be created as class file.
So first, actually, what we create the Java files, right? So Java files are the files where we write the code. So the place where we write the code. Okay, where? So if I go to this location, see, okay, I'll go here. So source folder, first I need to create a package, correct? So I'll create a package. So I'll give new pack. So if I give capital N, it's giving me a warning. Why?
You have to create small letter.
Correct. Usually it should start with a small letter only package. Is it mandatory?
Yes.
No, it's a warning only. So it's not mandatory. I can create with capital letter. So as of now, I'll create with this capital. See, it creates, it does not give me any error. Same thing, class next.
Class.
Learn Java. Okay, so here also it should be started with a capital letter only. Okay, so here also it's not actually what mandatory, it's standard practice. So it's showing me to follow it. That's it. Then I can select default. What is the difference between selecting public and default means? If you select public, there will be extra keyword called public class public class learn Java will come. If I select default, it will come as class learn Java. In the newer version, you can see default might not be there. So that time you can go for a public. So it's not a problem. New versions will not have this default. That's the one thing. That also will be hidden like this. Okay, so I'll select public. Then
Main method.
Main function. In case if I forgot to click on the checkbox, what I need to do, how I can get?
Control space enter.
Yes. So first I need to take, so I'll increase the font size first. Window, preferences, font. So I need to type main, then control space, enter. That's it. Clear? If I want to print some information, I want to print hello world. Can you tell me, Rohit?
System.out printed.
Yes.
So control space enter.
Yes by SO, control space. Then hello. Hello world. Everything should be written inside a double quotes only. Okay, will be considered as a string. If I want to run the program, what are the different? Good. Hey, thanks, Rohit.
Yeah.
Hey, hi, Monica. You there?
Hi.
Hey, hi, Monica. Now, can you tell me if I want to execute the program, what are the different ways are available for me to execute the program?
Yeah, if we go to there, like Button is there, we can click on that button,
Yes.
we can execute.
Here we have this run icon. Yes. This is one way. Then run. Here I can run. Then
And functional keywords also we can use.
correct. Control plus F11 shortcut also is there. Then run as Java application, or right click on the program, run as Java application. Otherwise, go to the file, right click, run as Java application. If I don't have a main function, can I execute this program?
No, like in Java program, we don't get the run option only.
Correct. The Java
Without
application will
main
not come.
function.
So main function is mandatory if I want to execute a Java program. Clear? A good Monica. Now, can you tell me what the source folder consists? What the bin folder will consist of?
Source folder will consist of .java files and bin folder consist of .class files.
Correct. So can I open this Java file?
Yeah, if you open this, whatever we wrote in the Eclipse, we will get it here.
Awesome. Super. Great. Same thing if I go to the bin folder.
Class files we will get, which is in mission language.
Correct. Which we will not be able to understand anything.
Understand? Yeah.
Clear. So if I delete a Java file, will the bin class file also will be deleted?
Yeah, it will be deleted.
If you delete a class file?
If you delete class file, we don't get any error on this file.
Correct.
On
So
this Java file.
correct. Java file is dependent. The class file is dependent on the Java file, but Java file is not dependent on the class file. So if you delete a class file, nothing happens. Once again, when we compile it, a class file will be created. Okay. But when you delete a keyword Java file, the class file entirely will be deleted.
Okay.
Cool. Hey, good morning. Hey guys, great, super guys. Most of them, everyone have answered everything. Good. So this is what for today's session. Ping me in the chat windows. Yes, today's session is fine, and then everyone has understood today. You have any questions so far? Cool. Everyone is clear, right?
Hello.
Yeah. Yes, tell me.
Packages are mandatory.
Yes, that is actually right now. It's not mandatory. So in case, for example, this is my actually what source folder. I will right click. Okay, I'll go to this location, project A. Okay, so this is a place. So if I go inside, you can see source and then bin folder is there, right? Under the source folder, right now I have a package called new pack. Now what I will do, go to the source, right click, new class. I'm not creating the package, directly I'm going for the class. So right now you can see package name is giving new pack. So I will delete it. Okay, so when I delete it, it's giving me as default. Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay, now I'll give a class name. So new file. I'll just give simply. Okay, then after that, I'll just click on main function or not working. Okay, just I'll create. Can you see? It has created a new package here called default package.
Yeah.
Okay, but the same thing if I go to the original folder, can you see outside itself it has been created under the source folder it has been created.
Okay.
Okay, so which are the Java files which are all created without a package that will be stored under the default package in the UI level of Eclipse, but here it will not have any package directly under the source folder that will be saved.
Okay.
That answers the question, Rohit?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, any questions for anyone? Okay, thanks guys. So tomorrow we'll meet by same time. Okay, thank you. Bye guys. Thank you.